And there it is. The new DJI Mini Pro with smart controller. Can't believe I got it. Thought I'd be waiting a month at least from DJI. But I just walked into JB just for curiosity, just to see when they'll have it in stock. And guess what? They had a few in stock. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. It's funny though, they on their website it said they were all out of stock everywhere. So here we go. Let's unbox it. This was supposed to be my birthday present, but I think I'll give myself an early birthday present. Damn plastic. Interested to see the reports of the distance, not getting good distance. I will see for myself, because I will be flying it today, weather permitting. And I will have it, put it on YouTube. I'm sick of all these influencer bloody videos. You can't trust anyone. So this will be a real person's video, paid their own money. Funny, I still haven't cancelled my order with DJI. I'll have to have a think about it. Might keep it, because these things are supposed to be out of stock for ages. So who knows? I might make a few dollars. There we go. Oh, I don't think I've ever seen one of these things, these little things. I had the Maverick 2 Pro. I don't think I've ever seen a Mini. Actually, look at that. It does fit in the palm of your hand. I love the plastic they put these things in. Dun, dun, dun. Look at it. It's so freaking tiny. Look at the thing. Look how small it is. Huh? Okay. Let's see what else is in the box. Let me get these things out. And here's the controller. I have not ever seen one of these. You can go there. Here's controller. Oh, look, a lolly bag. Yum. Do not eat. Oh, it's too. Okay. Oh, Ben, it's not that light. All the reviews I seen, I said, oh, it feels cheap. Nasty, light. It's not that cheap. It's not that light. It feels quality. It feels good. Oh, look what we have here. That's almost as big as my phone screen. Nice. It's good weight, actually. Good weight. Yes. That feels good. I like it. Okay, let's see what's in here. Mini go there, I can go there. Let's turn that shit off. Should be some spare propellers and paperwork in here and cable. Man, I couldn't have made a smaller cable. Look how tiny the propellers are. How small. There's the screwdriver, cable, and the rest is all paper. Okay, that's it. That's the unboxing, done. Now, it is time to charge. Let me just see how this opens up first. I said there's no particular order anymore, so that just winds up that way, folds out that way. So you can do it in any order now, not like the other, the Maverick Pros and all that. You have to do it in a specific order. And there it is. Wow. Woo, woo, woo. I like the little thing. Look at that. It just sits in the palm of your hand. It's so light. Man. Cool. Let's have a look at this. Let's take the camera lens off. Ooh, a lot of plastic shit on here. What is that? Okay. Yep. All these little things here off the camera. Make sure you get those off. And that's it. That's the unboxing. I'll charge it up. Update whatever needs updating. And then I'll do a first flight video. And we will check the distance. We will see if it has got problems, because they tell us, they advertise 12-kilometre range, so I better be getting at least 3 kilometres perfect reception, or I won't be happy. Okay, over and out.